Hello there, my name is Debbie Savage and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel you'll find helpful videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. My goal is to inspire women over the age of 40 to feel beautiful and confident. So if this resonates with you, please consider subscribing and press that notification bell so you won't miss a thing. I am so happy to have you here. Today I will be showcasing all the products that I have in my FABFITFUN Winter box. There are so many items in this amazing FABFITFUN Winter box, and I can't wait to show you. Let's get started. There are so many reasons why I love FABFITFUN. My first reason is that you get 8 to 10 full-size products, and I love that. These products are curated by the amazing FabFitFun team, and they are items from women-owned businesses, and I love to support women entrepreneurs. So like I said, in each box you get 8 to 10 full-size products, and the membership for FabFitFun is only $49, which is incredible because if you do all the math and you tally up what is in each box, it's well over $200 worth of incredible value. Okay, the first product I want to highlight is the Phase Zero Making Moves Blusher. Such a fun name. The color is fantastic for fall and winter. This silky smooth formula blends seamlessly into the skin. I'm going to go ahead and swatch this blusher on my skin. The color is so pretty. Here's what it looks like. It has kind of an iridescent finish to it. And this Phase Zero blush retails for $27. Okay, next is this Vanilla Bean Lip Scrub from WHISH, and it gently exfoliates your skin and it moisturizes too, and it has a combination of avocado oil and vitamin E extract, and it has a blend of brown sugar, raspberry seed, and organic bamboo flower to exfoliate the lips. This lip scrub is $20. It smells so delicious, and this will keep your lips soft and moisturized all winter long. I know that I will be using this. Next is from BOTANIQ Beauty, and they are eye masks, and I love using eye masks. The skin underneath your eyes is so delicate, so it's really important that you give it a lot of TLC, excuse me, and it's ideal for tired, overworked eyes that's seen too many late nights. And so if that's you, comment below. What it will do is brighten, hydrate, and depuff the eyes, and I cannot wait to use this. And these eye gel masks retail for $25, and you get 4 masks inside. Another item that I love that's in the Winter Essentials box is from Laura Geller. It is their Cinnamon and Spice eyeshadow palette, and you guys, let me open it for you so you can see all the lovely shades here, and they're so pretty. We've got some mattes on the top, and then on the last 2 rows there's some really beautiful shimmery tones that are going to look so beautiful on every skin tone, and I love the shades here. Okay, this palette here is $45, you guys. That's quite spendy, and if you think the subscription for FabFitFun is only $49, I mean, you're in for a huge win, and you can create beautiful, soft daytime looks, and then with the darker colors you can smoke it up for date nights. I absolutely love scrunchies. They're perfect for pulling up your hair when you're doing dishes, when you're at the office, when you're doing laundry. I know my girls love to use it when they're practicing dance at home, so you just can't have enough scrunchies. And these here are $25 for a set of 3. Remember how I told you it's all about cozy, and the Winter FabFitFun box definitely wants to help you feel so amazing during winter time. And these socks right here are amazing. I just wore them and I had to pull them off to show you. They are Sherpa lined, so they're going to keep your toes so warm and cozy. I love the cute pom-pom detail. The knit, the woven knit is so beautiful and very detailed. It's been made very, very well. And then on the bottom it has like the little imprint on the bottom so you won't slide, and it's from Mug Luxe, and this color is great, a nice neutral color that's going to go with all of your winter looks. And this retails for $25 for this pair of socks, and it's definitely going to be something I'm going to use all winter long. Look how cute these coffee mugs are. They're from LILLY Pulitzer, and I just love them. You get a set of 2, and they're just iconic. Floral print is so pretty. I love the colors of the lavender, the mint, and the blue. It's so lovely. And on the side, it has like her little logo right here, and I love this luxe detail of the gold metallic at the handle. It's the perfect size to have like a small cup of soup, even hot cocoa, and of course of those who drink coffee, there you go. And this set right here is $42. Okay, in here is this beautiful set of 4 champagne glasses from BOMSHBEE, and it's their SLOANE campaign flutes. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it out for you. Isn't this so pretty? The design is so sophisticated, so elegant. I love like the angle top right there, and it feels really great in the hands, and these will hold all of your fun festive drinks all winter long. This sleek set of flutes that you can fill your champs all winter long, or for me it's going to be apple cider. It is $51. So again, I want to remind you that with each FabFitFun box you get 8 to 10 full-size products, and I have had a few FabFitFun boxes, and each one of them are great. There are brands that I would have never thought to use, or maybe was out of my price point, so I was so excited to see them in my box. And because like I love them so much, I've actually purchased them on my own, and so that's what's really great if you love trying new things. I love receiving the magazine in each box, and this month they are highlighting Katie Couric, who I absolutely love, and she's sharing her stories of strength and optimism, things that she's overcoming during COVID-19. And I love reading the interview here, and it's such a beautiful spread. Congratulations, Katie. And then they also talk about her charity as well. And then there's just tips and tricks all throughout the magazine of how you can use the products. There's even recipes for this pomegranate champagne. And really, this is just a fun magazine and really provides great and helpful tips to use your FabFitFun box, and also just inspirational stories to help you feel your best. I hope that you enjoyed the review of my FabFitFun Winter box. If you have any questions, leave it below. And what items are you interested in trying? I would love to hear from you. Thank you again for coming over here to my channel and watching this video, and I will see you next time. I hope you guys are well. Bye.